Hey guys, so I get questions about manicures, doing your own manicure at home, and I'm going to give you 3 tips today that might help you out. The first one is this is very hard, but try not to use your nails as tools. Let me give you an example. I used this hard candy eyeshadow palette in Envy today, and the little clasp thing on it is impossible to open without using something. Now, most people would just use the edge of their fingernail to pry it open. Big mistake. You're going to chip your manicure if you do that. So keep something like I have this nail file that I got at a gift shop many years ago, and I just keep it by me and it will open it easily. If you don't have something like this, keep a small knife or just a regular steel nail file. Anything that is small, keep it handy. A pair of scissors, whatever you have. Because this is how so many makeup packages are designed. Now, also, peeling labels off things. How do they expect you to peel labels off things when you buy makeup and it has like a safety seal on it? If you try to use a knife, you're going to end up slipping with the knife and chopping off a finger or something. Am I right? So, what do you tend to do? You tend to take, you pick it off with your fingernail, and then not only can you damage your manicure, but you can damage the nail itself, because which leads me to my next tip. If you have any damage to the ends of your nails, it's a good idea to file that part of the nail off before you paint your manicure or before you paint your nails the next time, because if you have that on there, the polish isn't going to go on smoothly and your nails are more likely to chip if the very edge of your nail is damaged. So get that damage off there before you paint your nails the next time. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3 is a product recommendation, and this is going to save you so much aggravation. When it's time to paint your nails, do you put it off and procrastinate? Yeah, a lot of people do. And I can totally understand why, because it's a process. You got to remove the old polish, then do one coat, do a second coat. It takes forever a lot of times, depending on what polish you use. I do have polishes that dry quickly, but um, if you have a bottle of this and it's a little expensive, but oh my God, it is so worth it and it's going to save you so much aggravation. This is Nails Inc. 45-second Speedy Top Coat. And if you have, I buy this at Walmart. And I think they also sell it at Target. But if you have a bottle of this, it's going to save you so much aggravation, because what I do is, like, I just painted my nails yesterday with the LA Colors glow in the dark nail polish in the shade Slime. I'm still enjoying these glow in the dark polishes. They are so much fun. I'll go over towards the end of the day, turn on my black light and look at my nails, put my nails up to the light, and then turn on the light and look at my nails and then shut the light off and they glow in the dark. It's so much fun. But anyways, I just will do a layer of this, let it dry for just a very, very short amount of time, and go right in with my second coat. And then before the second coat is even dry, I go in with this, and in 45 seconds, this will not only dry that second coat, it will also dry the first coat as well. And what I mean is, it just will solidify what's there. And then in 45 seconds, maybe 60, 45 might be a slight exaggeration, but within like 60 seconds or a minute, both layers will be dry and you can move on with your life. So this will make it so that your manicure is not going to be an ordeal or a long drawn out process. And I love, love, love this. Not only that, not only will it make it faster, but it will also protect your nails better and extend the life of your manicure. And it's a shiny top coat. It isn't matte, it's a shiny top coat. So that's something to take into consideration because some people like a matte finish. So this is a glossy finish. It'll extend the life of your manicure and it will make it less of an ordeal. So those are my 3 biggest tips for painting your own nails, doing your own manicure. Bye guys, thanks for watching.